In a world full of instant notifications, endless scrolling, and quick pleasures, our brains are overloaded. We are constantly chasing dopamine highs, but losing ourselves in the process. It's time to take back control. It's time for a reset. Welcome to the 21-day Dopamine Detox Challenge. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset your brain in just 21 days with a simple but powerful practice called Dopamine Detox. And trust me, after these 21 days, you won't just feel better, you'll become unstoppable. First, what exactly is a dopamine detox? It's not about removing dopamine from your brain. That's impossible. It's about reducing the overstimulation caused by activities like social media, junk food, video games, binge watching, and even unnecessary online browsing. By cutting down these quick pleasure sources, you train your brain to find joy and satisfaction in real, meaningful things again, like deep work, real conversations, and personal growth. Science says it takes around 21 days to form new habits and rewire your brain. During these 21 days, you'll slowly detox from high dopamine activities and rebuild a stronger, more focused, more fulfilled mind. Week 1. Awareness and reduction. Start by identifying your biggest dopamine traps. Social media, Netflix, snacking. Reduce your exposure step by step. For example, limit social media to 30 minutes a day or uninstall apps temporarily. Week 2. Replacement and discipline. Replace the time you free up with meaningful activities. Read a book, meditate, exercise, journal your thoughts. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishments. Week 3. Deep reset and mastery. This week, go deeper. Challenge yourself. Full-day detoxes, no phone, no junk. 1-hour deep work sessions without distractions. Reflect daily on how you feel. You'll notice a sharper mind, better focus, and true inner peace emerging. In the beginning, it will be hard. You'll feel bored, restless, even anxious. But soon you'll feel a clarity you haven't felt in years. You'll appreciate small joys again. You'll reclaim your time, your focus, and most importantly, yourself. Your brain was not designed for endless stimulation. It was designed for greatness, focus, and true fulfillment. Start your 21-day dopamine detox today. Reset your brain. Reset your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-transforming content. Your journey to greatness begins now. Are you ready to break free from endless distractions and unlock your true potential? Start your 21-day dopamine detox today and feel the transformation within you. If you're serious about resetting your brain and taking control of your life, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment "I'm in" below. Let's grow together. One day at a time, one habit at a time. Your best version is waiting. Don't keep it waiting any longer.